Right, here we come to the elevators at Granite Towers in Sugar Land, Texas. These are Otis Gen2 from 2008. That one over there. This is just like the one at 3 Sugar Creek. Let's listen to this thing going up. Here we go.
Eighth floor.
Otis nameplate. These were installed in 2008. So the one. These are your Otis Series 4 fixtures. Inside the elevator, we're riding with 2 of my friends today. We got Joy and Minoshi. Installed in 2008. These are your Otis Series 4 fixtures. Watch the button go out.
First floor.
No phone. They already put a phone on there on the panel. What do you both think of this?
It's incredible. Really cool. It's like almost like a luxury elevator in the interior.
It sure is.
Really pretty.
All right, there it goes, and that's it. All right.